Recently, Adobe announced 3 new generative AI models that amplify the capabilities of Illustrator, Adobe Express, and Photoshop. The Firefly Image 2 model generates higher quality images with enhanced details and colors. It also introduces AI-powered editing features and prompt guidance. Another exciting feature is the Generative Match, which lets users match the style of generated content to specific images. Adobe has also implemented policies and safeguards to protect against abuse of this feature. Scientists at the UCL Institute for Neurology have developed AI language models to analyze the speech of patients with schizophrenia. The goal is to improve the diagnosis and assessment of psychiatric conditions. The AI model predicted the words recalled by control participants more accurately than those recalled by patients with schizophrenia, particularly those with more severe symptoms. This difference may shed light on how the brain learns and stores information. OpenAI plans to introduce major updates for developers, including the addition of memory storage to its developer tools, which could reduce costs for application makers by up to 20 times. OpenAI also plans to unveil new tools such as vision capabilities for analyzing and describing images. These updates are part of OpenAI's ambition to expand beyond being a consumer sensation to becoming a prominent developer platform. At the inaugural AI Engineer Summit, it was observed that many engineers are grappling with 3 main problems when working with AI: turning a demo into a product, fine-tuning the model, and dealing with non-deterministic outputs. Various speakers at the summit shared their approaches to solving these problems, emphasizing the importance of productization, fine-tuning, and user feedback in making AI a competitive advantage. In summary, we've seen how Adobe is enhancing its software with generative AI models, how AI is aiding in understanding and diagnosing psychiatric conditions, OpenAI's plans for major updates to appeal to developers, and the common challenges faced by AI engineers. Each of these points highlights the versatility of AI and its potential to reshape various sectors. As we continue to explore the world of AI, stay tuned for more exciting developments in this ever-evolving field and click subscribe to keep up to date on the latest AI news. Until next time.